Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be cooking curry mango Jamaican style. Okay, so this is our mangoes, some half ripe and some a bit ripe. And this is Jamaican common mango. And yeah, so we're going to make curry mango. But first we're going to boil our mango. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour my mango into my pot of boiling water. Okay, so we're just gonna add it to the water, add a little bit of salt, right, and then we're gonna cover and allow it to half boil or parboil. So this is the curry powder that I'll be using. It's the Easy Spice Jamaican curry powder. Normally I use new pack, but I'm trying this one because I've heard some good things about it, so I'm trying the Easy Spice Jamaican curry powder. The first time I had curry mango was when I visited Clarendon, and my cousins, they cooked it for me. And then the second time was when I visited Clarendon again, but this time I got it at a restaurant there. A lot of our local Indians are from Clarendon. A lot of people don't know that, but there's a large population of Indians in Clarendon and Westmoreland. So we're going to be using garlic, ginger, onions, cumin, and some hot pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. So now that our mango is boiled, we are now going to go ahead and start cooking up our seasoning. So we added a little bit of olive oil to our pot, and we have it at medium heat. And to this we're going to add, so we added our onion, chopped onion, now we're going to go in with our peppers, our hot pepper, and to this we're going to add our garlic. We're now going to add our ginger. You know, in some islands they do their curry mango different. In Trinidad I don't see them adding ginger to the curry mango. But this is Jamaica, and I'm adding ginger to my curry mango. To this we're now going to add some cumin. In Trinidad they would use the cumin seeds, but I'm using the cumin powder. Cumin is a very popular spice among Indians. It's used in a lot of Indian dishes, especially in curry dishes. Now I'm going to add my curry. Added about 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Now to this we're gonna add some water. We're gonna add some water and allow the curry to cook. So it's very important to cook the curry so that it doesn't cause any stomach irritation and tummy ache. So this is my way of doing curry mango, but there are many recipes out there, many recipes, but this is my recipe for curry mango. So we're gonna allow the curry to come to a thick paste consistency, and then we're gonna add our mangoes. So now that our curry is reduced, we're going to add our boiled mangoes. And to this we're going to add some sugar. I'm just using our Jamaican cane sugar. And then we're going to mix in the mango into the curry, or the curry into the mango. And then we're going to leave it at medium heat and allow it to reduce some more. Wow, look at that. Our beautiful curry mango. And the mangoes are looking yummy and delicious. And you can see the curry reducing. So in Trinidad, curry mango is very common. They also have mango takari and mango takri, which are very common in Trinidad as well. And so I've always liked curry mango, as I said, I've tasted twice before, and I wanted to make it for myself. So this is my first time making it. So I can't wait to taste what my curry mango tastes like. So you know that mangoes are one of the most vitamin C rich fruit, and with my anemia, absorbing the iron has been an issue. So having a good intake of vitamin C is definitely recommended. So I love mangoes, but sometimes just eating it like that or just making a mango juice, you know, it gets a bit boring. So curry mango will take away a little bit of that. So in the end, this is how our curry mango turned out. It smells so good and I can't wait to dig in. So guys, please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Alright, so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for making it Shans and Zen Jamaican Vibes. Until next time, walk good and look out for your neighbor. Now here's Azania for the taste test. Hi. Okay. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see your eyes. Your head is full. Perfect. Mwah.